How to reset Blox Fruits account. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about resetting your Blox Fruits account and start over. So if you want to restart or start fresh in Blox Fruits, maybe you want to try a new strategy or just begin again, here's how you can reset your progress. So first, you can go ahead and make a new Roblox account. Your Blox Fruits progress is connected to your Roblox account, so to completely reset everything like stats, levels, and items, you need to create a new Roblox account. So go to roblox.com, click on log out from the current account, and click on sign up to make a new account. And after creating your new account, go to Blox Fruits on Roblox and start playing. Now you can explore the game from the start, pick new fighting styles and fruits, and create the character that you've always wanted, using what you already know about the game. So if you want to change your stats like melee, defense, or sword without a full reset, you can refund your stats by buying a stat refund from the in-game shop with Robux, or using special codes during the events or updates when available. So starting over lets you see the game in a new way and make better choices. So have fun on your new adventure. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.